Hey YouTube, what's up? This is video 1 of my 3-part video series for my 2023 reset. I know the new year doesn't always mean you're reinventing yourself or that you have to be a new person. That's definitely not at all what I think the new year to be, but I do think it's a good time to kind of reflect on the previous year and things that you want to accomplish this year. First video in my 3-part series is going to be how to make a 2023 vision board that actually works and is legit going to get you guys really motivated to see the things that you are manifesting and working towards every single day. One of the things I'm noticing when I search on YouTube a good 2023 vision board, I'm noticing that it's really saturated with a lot of entire 2023 resets. That's why I'm making this a 3-part series, so definitely make sure you're subscribed to see those in the future. I followed these same exact steps for 2022 and I pretty much got everything I wanted. I got a brand new apartment and I'm living in it and loving it. I had a lot of different milestones in my professional life that I reached. I had a lot of financial milestones that I reached and lifestyle goals, and I met every single one, and I solely am dedicating that to the vision board I made last year. So these are the steps I followed. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you are organizing a good list of things that you want on your vision board. So you can do this in a program like Notion. You can just do this in your notes app. You can do it on paper, but I'm going to show you guys on my notes app on my MacBook how exactly I made this list and organized it. So I went to Pinterest with a set idea, knowing what I want for my 2023 year, what I'm looking for, and what photos are going to manifest that for me the best, instead of just picking what looks aesthetic, because sometimes aesthetic does not equal achievement or a goal that's actually going to be reached. So you want to make sure you're keeping it very realistic to the goals you actually want to reach. So one of my favorite aspects of making a vision board is really breaking down the things that I'm looking for. So if you are someone who just kind of likes to jump right into Pinterest and kind of see what the vibe is, then feel totally free to check the video chapters and skip ahead to see me actually build my vision board and how I organized it and all that good stuff. But if you're like me and you love to make a list and kind of just have a little bit more guidance to know what you're looking for, then this step is perfect for you. As you guys can see on my MacBook, I have a complete list of my 2023 vision board organization. I first made a word for 2023, and you guys don't have to do this step, but I did this step so that I was able to really use my word of the year to guide me in figuring out what quotes, photos, things I want to accomplish. Now, granted, I do have a journal that I write in every single day, and I can kind of check my manifestations and keep track of what I really want to accomplish this year. So after I did that, I made this list. I totally recommend that you guys use these same groups. So like lifestyle, workout, gym, travel, etc. But if you want to add more labels or categories, then be my guest to do that. It's up to you guys and how you want to see your 2023 year. You guys can see some of the first things I wanted to really focus on was lifestyle, and that's money, credit score goals, money affirmations, self-care inspiration. So that can be some aesthetic photos, celebrity inspirations. I'm not someone that feels kind of like down on myself when I look at my celebrity like favorites and crushes. So I definitely want to include a couple of my celebrities that I really look up to on my vision board, because it might just like keep me going and keep that lifestyle that I really want in mind. YouTube and filming, so definitely have some photos that help me want to get up and vlog and make content and videos for you guys every day. Workout and gym, I want to start Pilates, yoga, maybe some body inspiration pics, but be careful when you do this. You don't want to put inspiration that's going to make you feel like you aren't good enough. It's just getting me and my body to its healthiest form, not necessarily to look a certain way. So definitely be careful in that category. Travel, so I specifically am looking for Chicago and New York because those are 2 places I really want to go in 2023 so bad, as well as some ocean scapes, and that's just honestly anywhere. Any ocean, I'm not going to complain about it at all. Food, health, body, wanting to always be shopping for what the best food is for me and my body, so just keeping those photos in mind as I go through Pinterest. Some daily affirmations as well, so anything that I can do to really keep myself kind of just affirmed with that word of the year in mind. That's kind of how I organized my 2023 vision board list so that I can go straight into Pinterest and and be able to find the photos that I think are going to take that word of the year and also my organizer in mind. Okay, so now that we have our organized list and we have some guidance on what we're going to look for in Pinterest, we can go ahead and go over to Pinterest and see what we can find. So for this step, I basically made my own vision board. Obviously, you want to make sure you make a vision board. You can title it 2023 digital vision board or just vision board for 2023. So we are slowly but surely losing daylight. So I'm actually just gonna do this in my room. So I'm gonna put you guys in a better view so you can watch me and how I kind of organize this. Okay guys, so here's what I kind of have right now. I think I honestly could have gotten such a bigger cork board, but I didn't want to put something here that like would be too obnoxious. But I think originally when I was thinking about this, and this is why it's so important just to be like in a good space and not feel stressed about this, but I was originally thinking like all things travel go up here, all things fitness here, all things lifestyle, so like self-care, food, daily gratitude journal, daily vlogs would go over here, and then over here could be my words. But I just didn't like with all the words jumbled up. I wanted the right mix of pinks and lights and whatnot because I felt like it was just looking a little too dark, and I really like this like stagnant style I have going on. Also, you guys will notice I did leave a couple out. I knew I had some extra, and I have 2 of these money inspired. So this is like a credit score goal, and then obviously this quote that says all the money I spend comes back to me multiplied. Even though yes, I really like this, it just was horizontal and not vertical, and then I still kind of have an aspect of money going on. I also just think I want to be able to switch some of these photos out and update them, so I wanted to leave an opportunity for me to feel out how this one honestly just makes me feel and really try to understand what is working, what isn't. But I'm gonna post you guys back up, and I'm going to start putting my really cute tacks and my little adorable cloud tacks on here. I think I'm pretty much done. So I'm gonna flip you guys around and show you what this looks like. I put a couple of the little cloud tacks. I honestly love it so much. I cannot wait to get this up on the wall right here. I think it's gonna look so good, and I'm gonna hurry up and do that so that you guys can see the finished product on my wall for my 2023 vision board. So let me see. Oh gosh, I'm so bad at this. This is really a time when I would need somebody else here. I think I want it like decently high. Okay, so I picked my desk up a little bit, and I am literally in love with it. I know that the sun is going down a little bit, and it's kind of hard to see, but I like the little dim vibe that I have now. I am just so obsessed with the small little cloud tacks. I just feel like it's gonna make me want to look at it all the time when it's up there. But I absolutely love that. I think it looks so good. So I hope you guys feel a little more inspired to make a vision board for your 2023 year. I absolutely loved taking you guys with this along on this journey with me as I build mine, and I think she's so cute up there. Make sure you guys are subscribing and let me know what your favorite part of this video was in the comments, what you want to see next, and if you guys made your own vision board. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.